Guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today with me, Stacey over here at Holahme, and our family is growing. I'm very much grateful to everyone who's subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, remember to click the button below and subscribe. And today we're going to do a bit vegan. For today we're going to be making a salad which will be having some vegetables and fruits. So over here I have some lettuce, red cabbage, cucumber, some red and yellow bell pepper, a pineapple, some apples from a Queen lady, and then for our dressing we're going to use vinegar, capote pineapple jam, which is really sweet. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to try it, and some natural yogurt. So karibuni, twende kazi. And also as we go on, remember you can comment about what you love or what you want to see me cook. And about this over here, these are some pita bread. I'm just going to make a filling using the ingredients over here after making the salad. So karibuni, twende kazi. Begin by first just making some few strips from the bell peppers. That's what I'm going to be making over here. Just some very thin strips of the bell peppers. So that's for our red, and then next is our yellow. Once we're done with the red and yellow, we're just going to transfer them into a bowl. We don't want them to be too thin, just like a centimeter thickness. Then next, we're going to do our cucumber. We won't use all of it, so I'm just going to use half of it. We're going to cut into very thin slices. This thin. So for this one, I'm just going to use half of the cucumber. Then next we're going to add in our pineapples. Remember, for the dressing we're going to use some pineapple jam, so we want it to complement with our pineapple. So we're just going to cut into some cube-like shapes. This is very easy to make and to prepare, especially when you don't want to eat a lot of food or you're trying to lose weight, which has become another story. That's a story for another time. But this is good also for your weight loss. There's not too much fat or too much junk in it. So for this, I'm just going to cut them into very small strips. And then transfer it into our storing bowl. Then next we're going to now do our red cabbage. We're not going to use all of it, just a little bit of it. So over here we have the red cabbage and our lettuce, which I'm just going to shred. This is this amazing, which I just call it a cut or a multi-purpose tool, which I got during the Nairobi show. I find it to be very useful since you can grate with it, you can shred with it. You can also make some crisps or your potatoes into some crinkle shape, sort of like shape. Yeah, remember you shouldn't have a boring meal, so any design with your meal makes it more interesting. Yeah, so I'm just going to shape using this and using this top part. As you can see, it's shredding very nice pieces and very good, which is very good for a salad. And it's very fast compared to a knife. So I'm just using half of the red cabbage and half of the lettuce. You can store the rest in your fridge for use later on. The only disadvantage I would say about this is it's a bit messy since it's throwing some bit of the shredding outside your working area. So remember to also after that clean up your surface properly. You can see how very thin they are, which is very nice for a salad, and that's what we are looking for. Using a knife, you can never be this accurate, so if you can't, just go and buy it. I bought it at 500. At that time they were having an offer during the show, but they were saying when you buy it in the shops, which they were saying they have shops in town, they're different brands, so you can go and get it in town for about 800 or 1,000. Yeah, but if you get an offer, save your money and buy it when there are sales like mine for 500. Then next we're going to use our lettuce and just shred. So we have our salad here, which we're going to transfer into another bowl so that we can mix it. But before that, we need to get our dressing ready for our salad. So this will be set aside. I'll have to take it there after some time. So over here we have the dressing ingredients, which is just plain yogurt, some pineapple jam, which is from Capute, and you should try it. It's very nice on bread, and also when you're making your icings and all that, it's very sweet. And then some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use some lemon or lime. So first we're just going to add our plain yogurt. The reason why we are not using flavored yogurt is you don't want to mix the flavors of that yogurt, or whether it's strawberry, vanilla, you don't want to mix that flavor with the other ingredients. Remember, when you're making your dressing, you're building up flavors, and you don't want it to mix with the other flavors that are not part of our recipe. So over here I'm just going to add some bit of the plain yogurt. Then next I'm just going to add some bit of this, of our pineapple jam. Just about 2 teaspoons. You don't want it to be too much because it's also already too sweet. So when you put too much of it, you have ruined your dressing. And then some little bit of vinegar, about 1 teaspoon. And mix your dressing. This is a very nice way to make dressing at home when you don't want to really buy the other dressings like mayonnaise, the 1,000 Island dressing, which are a bit expensive. So this is very easy for any monanchi to make when they're at home. And the good thing is you can reuse these ingredients like the pineapple jam and the vinegar for any other meal. So once you're done, we have our dressing over here. You can also taste to ensure that the flavor that you want is there. So for mine, I'll just add a bit of the pineapple jam. Yeah, now it's perfectly okay. You don't want it to be too sweet or too sour. So our dressing is here. So I've transferred our salad into this sufuria, which is a bit bigger. My other bowls are in use. I'm just going to throw it up to just mix it. Then I'll use some spoons to mix it. So we'll just grate the traditional African way and mix it, and then now mix it up. You don't want to mix with your hand, especially if you're serving it to many people. So we are done with the mixing. Everything is well mixed inside. I'm just going to sprinkle some bit of our dressing, which I'm going to sprinkle it here, and then also when we serve into our serving bowl. Then mix it all up again. And there we have it. Our salad is all mixed up. We're just going to dress our bowl, our serving bowl, and serve it, and it's ready to eat. I've just dressed the serving bowl with this red cabbage leaves, and next I'm just going to pour in our salad. So there we have our salad, and it's ready for eating. We'll just add some bit of our dressing again. Remember, we added our first mixing when we were mixing it, so that each part of the salad is fully dressed. Then we'll just add a bit as we are serving. And there we have it. Our salad is ready for eating. Over here we have the pita bread filled with our salad, and over here we have the salad in our bowl. Thank you so much for joining us today. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and comment what you've loved about this, and whether you'll go and try it. And also, if you don't have anything to comment, just give this video a thumbs up and also just say, put a smiley face. That's it for now. Remember to come back next week, same time, same place. Tuonane wiki ijayo. Enjoy your week and have a lovely week. Thank you. Goodbye. To keep it healthy on life and active hours on meals at all times. Goodbye.